In this video, we're going to be working on logo design. And this time, it's going to be a triangular logo. So let's get started. In this one, I'm going to keep the approach very simple. Like what I would do is like I will select the polygon and I'm going to make the corners 3 and then we'll draw the polygon. Let's just for now make it something like gray. I don't want any strokes right now. And I'm gonna select that, move it so that it looks like a triangle. If you are uh, like if you're surprised like why this one is like not exactly like a triangle, so if you look here, this is gonna become like an exact sharp, like right now it's a rounded one. So I don't want to change it right now. So right now it is a rounded one because of this property. Under the change, we have this polygon, corners are 3, and rounded is around there. You can make it 1, like I don't know. Yeah, still gonna look like the same. So we have this rounded one, and randomize is 0. So I'm gonna move it in the center, just like what we did with the circular one. I'm gonna make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Make it small. Let's just change the color for now. And then I'm gonna select both of our triangles. Then we are going to this align and distribute. Again, as in my previous videos, I mentioned that if you don't see any of these tabs in here, what you do is like you click this drop down and you can select whatever you are looking for. So right now we need that align and distribute. So once we have that one under align, we're gonna align it vertically and then horizontally. That's good for now. So this one we're gonna make it black. Let's make it black. Oops, not like that. So this one is gonna be black, right? This one, what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna be going to the stroke, which is none right now. So we're gonna say no, we need some stroke. The color of that stroke. In order to change the color of the stroke, you always press Shift and then select the color, and that's gonna make that like the border line or the stroke. And then we're gonna press this cross. What that's gonna do is like it's gonna remove the fill from a color to none. So that is it, guys. Like we have our background now. So now all we need to do is like put some text in here. Again, we don't need any stroke, so we're gonna remove the stroke. We're gonna fill it with the color, and the color needs to be black. Okay. I'm gonna move it so that I can see if, yeah, right around here is good, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna make a square here to select both of these triangles and bring the opacity a little bit down. Okay, so that I can see where things are being moved. Okay, in this one, what we're gonna do is like select the text and select the inner triangle. Go back to the align and distribute. Align them vertically and horizontally. So instead what it did is like, okay, what it did is like instead of moving text and aligning the text to the triangle, it actually aligned the triangle to the text. So what I'm gonna do now is like select the inner triangle and the outer triangle and align them one more time. Okay, now that's what we wanted. Again, we make a circle like that, make it this color. Okay, again, in order to align it, we will align this one and the inner triangle. Again, it did the same thing. Let's just align the text then, and we're not able to select the text anymore. What we can do is like take our scare, take scare, uh, take scare, and then go to the path, and then sorry, object and lower. What it's gonna do is like it's gonna bring the text above the circle. So now I'm able to select the text, and now I selected the text and the scare, and now I wanted to align that, and it was already aligned. Basically, we were trying to align all of them. Now looking good. Again, we're gonna select that, right click, duplicate. Now we have it selected. I'm gonna press shift and select the inner triangle, and then go to path and then difference. I'm gonna select the other triangle, and then other square, and then press shift and then select the outer triangle, and then path and then the difference. Wow. We're gonna be selecting everything by control A, right? And then go to fill and stroke, bring the opacity back to this one. Nice. That's what we wanted to create in this video. uh just so that you know, like the way I can change the color is like if you just control A, if you press control A and then tell him that I want green color, right? But then there were issues with that, so we're gonna go one by one. This one, if I select the inner triangle, this one I need it green, so I will go green like that. Then I select the outer one, I need the stroke to be green, so I will press shift and then the green, and that's gonna make the green. Now I want the text to be green, so I will make it like that. So that's how you change the color of whatever color you want. Thank you.